My YouTube channel was completely stuck. After uploading 12 videos, I was barely getting any views. Then I discovered 5 settings that changed everything. A few months ago, I decided to start a brand new YouTube channel. Now, before we begin, this isn't my first channel. I created this new channel specifically to document the process of growing a channel from scratch and helping new creators avoid common mistakes. So, if the subscriber count looks small right now, that's exactly the point. One day, I was watching YouTube and seeing all these creators getting views, building audiences, and growing their channels. And I thought, why not me? So I created a channel. I made a profile picture, designed a banner, and started working on my very first video. After hours of recording and editing, I finally uploaded it. Then I waited. 24 hours later, 0 views. Not 100, not 10, 0. I thought maybe it was just bad luck. So I made another video, then another, and another. For an entire month, I kept uploading consistently. By the end of that month, I had uploaded around 12 videos, gained only a few dozen subscribers, and barely got any views. At that point, I was convinced something was wrong. It felt like YouTube wasn't showing my content to anyone. So I started researching. I watched creator tutorials, studied successful channels, and spent hours inside YouTube Studio trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. That's when I discovered 5 settings and features that I had either ignored completely or set up incorrectly. After fixing them, my channel became more organized. Viewers watched more of my content, and overall performance started improving. So, what were those 5 settings? Let's start with the first one. Setting number 1, check your video details. Every time you upload a video, go through your video details carefully. Many creators rush through the upload process and miss important settings. Before publishing, make sure everything is filled out correctly and that your video information accurately reflects your content. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a habit every creator should build. A few extra seconds can save you from unnecessary mistakes later. Setting number 2, set the right category. Head over to YouTube Studio and check your upload defaults. One thing many creators overlook is the category setting. Make sure your videos are placed in the category that best matches your content. This helps YouTube better understand what type of audience may be interested in your videos. A small setting, but still worth checking. Setting number 3, create playlists. If you're not using playlists, you're missing a huge opportunity. Playlists help organize your content and make it easier for viewers to continue watching related videos. Instead of watching one video and leaving, viewers can move directly into the next video in the series, then another, and another. The longer people stay on your channel, the better. Setting number 4, use end screens. Every video should tell viewers what to watch next. That's exactly what end screens are for. When your video is ending, don't just say goodbye. Add an end screen that points viewers toward another video, or even better, a playlist. This keeps people inside your content instead of sending them somewhere else. Setting number 5, add relevant tags. Tags aren't as powerful as they were years ago, but they're still worth using. Make sure your tags are relevant to the topic of your video and help describe what your content is about. They're not magic, but every little bit of information helps YouTube understand your content. And that's it. These 5 settings won't instantly make your channel go viral, but they will help you build a stronger foundation, improve your channel structure, and avoid mistakes that many new creators make. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, subscribe now. This channel is dedicated to helping small creators grow faster and avoid the mistakes that keep most channels stuck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.